All I want you guys to do for me is to give a thumbs up to this video and drop a comment in the comment section of this video. And aside from that, I would like you to share this video so that others can also benefit from this video. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this video today, I want to show you guys a site where you can start making money and start earning in dollar. You don't need to pay anything to sign up. The sign up is free and you start making money instantly. This platform is not like other platform where you get to pay some fee before you sign up. You sign up for free and you start promoting your content for free and you start earning in dollar, all for free. Now, if this is your first time seeing my YouTube channel and you are interested in making money online and how to be creative on your smartphone, definitely you need to sign up to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification icon so you get notified when I will drop a new video. Without wasting much of your time, I would like us to go straight into the video right now. If you have not made sales online before, if you are new to affiliate marketing world, you've not made sales before, right in the description of this video, I dropped a link there for a course which is going to give you every details you need to become successful in affiliate marketing, to make tons of dollars online with just affiliate marketing. All you need to do is to click on the link in the description of this video to get details on how you can actually get massive sales by doing affiliate marketing. So what you want to do, please follow this video step by step so you don't miss out on this tutorial which I will be giving. All you need to do is to visit the site. Please follow this step by step so you don't miss out. That is an important step which you don't need to miss out from this site, so you don't say this is not working. So all you want to do is to go to the site, and the site name is called stakecourt.com. You just type stakecourt.com on your browser, you log in, and you claim your free account. We need to claim this account. As you can see, over 3,000 different countries are actually involved in this using this site. So you see, now you can take your business global from African with just a single line of code and a global affiliate network. So this is it. This is how the interface looks like. And every product here on this site is unique, and of course they are high valued products. So how do you sign up on this site? You click on claim free accounts. Now you'll be asked to sign up. The next thing you want to do now, you put your name here. I'm just gonna put Cash. This is for a tutorial. Then the last name I will still put Cash. This is just for a tutorial. Then I'll be asked to insert my Gmail, which I'll just be using the domain Gmail. I'll just use this Gmail as a domain Gmail. Then the password is what we to put next. So once we're done with the password, we click on sign up. So as you can see right now, a message will be mailed to me on my Gmail, which I need to confirm, and the code is what I have to put here. So I'll need to check on my Gmail right now so I can actually get this done. The code they sent to me is 1074. So this is my code, which I need to insert in order to verify my account. So right now, I'll just click on verify. And as you can see, my account has been verified. So what I need to do now, I need to now sign in using that Gmail and the password which I created. So once I'm done with this, I'll just click on sign in. So right now they said, good afternoon, Cash. You are one step from making your next sales. Send some traffic now. So right now, as you can see now, this is a brand new account. My total earning is 0. And of course, I can request my payout whenever I've made some sales. And this is a product they've issued for me to start selling. And these are people using this platform. I can view some of them also. So the best selling products, this is where I get to see the best selling products on this very platform. And as you can see, some people there is even active contest where you get to win up to $650, $133, $1,334, and all of that from this very platform. Now, what you want to do here now, you need to set up your profile. At the top right hand side, you tap on it and you go to profile here. So right on this profile, Cash is what I just created. My name is Cash, my last name is Cash, just for the tutorial, and this is the Gmail. So here you have to put your password, your phone number here. Then if you have a second line, you can still put it here. Then right here is where you actually set the country where you are coming from. Hence, if you are in Nigeria, any country you are, you type it. If you are not seeing your country, you can simply search it here and get it. Like here now, this is Nigeria. I'll tap Nigeria and I'll click on updates. So as you can see right now, Nigeria is out. So this is where I put my account number. I'll just click on edit. I'll put my account number, and I'm going to select on the kind of bank which I'm using right here. So as you can see, this is how it actually works. So any kind of bank which I'm using is what I'm to use here. So as you can see, this is Unity Bank, this is United Bank for Africa, which is UBA. I can withdraw straightly to my UBA account. This is UBA. I can simply insert my account number and I just click on update. And the best part of it is that in this site you earn in dollar. Now you need to update your TikTok, whatever profile which you have, you update them from here. So once you are done with these settings, you tap on the left hand the icon, then you go to affiliate dashboard. This affiliate market. Now this affiliate market is where you get to see all the products they have in their marketplace. Like here now, as you can see that they have about 37 available items which are available for sale right here, because you are just you are primary. So yeah, product, hot product which you can sell. We have stake hot product launch pad. We have a sport betting affiliate commission machine. We have DIY high BP crushing problem. So this product now is a health product, and of course a lot of people actually want to partake on this actually. So you click on this, there are a lot of it. As you can see, this product here is sold for $57, and the commission rate of this $57 is going to be 25. It's going to be roughly close to $30 for the commission. So once you click on promote, you start promoting this content for free and you start making your money from it. So that's how it is. So right now, as you can see, the product I click on, it just came here, which is $57. I can actually promote this content, this product now, and start generating my sales and start making money from this very product. So I go back again. So as you can see right now, there are still a lot of products here which I can actually make use of. Let's say, for example, I want to promote this product. This is fast automated income system. I can decide to promote this product. I click on promote, and it takes me here where I can see if I'm not okay with what I'm seeing here. I can just promote product page and see what the landing page looks like. Then this place is where I'm to get the link which I'm to promote. So as you can see right now, this is the link to that very product. I copy the link. So once I copy the link, this link is what I'm to promote for people to start buying. And anytime this product makes sense, like here now, the price of this product is $97. If I make sense, I'm gonna earn close to $50 for this, for selling this product. So the next thing right here you want to do, once you've copied the products, you've copied the link. So this product now, as I've gotten the link to this product, the next thing I want to do to start making money is to start promoting this product for people to buy them. So anybody that buys, I get my own commission. Guess what? This is all for free. You start making money without investment. And in case you are confused, you want to reach out to customer care, you are confused, you can simply tap on the WhatsApp icon to message them directly. It says, hello, what can we do for you? You can simply type your message and you reply. They will send you a reply. You say hi. If you have a problem, you send to them and they're going to send you back your reply, something like this. I just send the message to them and they will say, so this is their page. You can simply contact stakeholders. If you have any issues, maybe trying to withdraw or whatever, you contact them and you make sense and withdraw straightly from Nigeria. All these are things you need to do and start making money instantly without any stress online. Guess what, guys? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I drop a new video.